Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the 2008 Sichuan Earthquake. During the rescue, an aftershock shook the collapsed school building. The commander ordered all soldiers to retreat. Going back, it meant almost certain death. But just as they pulled out, cries of children were heard from the roofs. Several soldiers tried to rush back inside, only to be dragged back by their comrades as a massive block of concrete began to fall. One soldier, who had just carried a child to safety, fell to his knees and sobbed, "Please, let me go back. Let me save one more. I can still save one more." Everyone around him was in tears, powerless as the roofs collapsed again. Later, the children were recovered, but only one survived. One young soldier carried that little girl through the ring, shouting as they ran toward the rescue tent. She said she could no longer hold back her tears. And look at this timeline graphic. It shows that on May 12, 2008, at 2:28 in the afternoon, a massive 7.9 magnitude earthquake struck Sichuan province. The tremors rippled across hundreds of miles, collapsing schools, hospitals, and entire towns in seconds. What followed was one of the deadliest disasters in modern China. And look at these numbers now. The earthquake claimed nearly 87,000 lives and injured hundreds of thousands. Millions were left homeless, their towns reduced to rubble. Behind every number was a human story. Families torn apart, children lost, lives forever changed. It's a reminder that disasters aren't just statistics, but real people suffering unimaginable loss. So conclusively, the impact of earthquakes are significant and tragic. Thank you for listening.